All right, this is yellow belt senior, and this is what it should sound like. All right, so let's move to the tutorial of counting it. Counting. Don't forget your accents. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. You ready on that 4 accent on the last one? Try that again, counting. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, now let's try practicing saying the stickings while accenting, saying the stickings. Right, left, right, left, right. 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 Left. Second time through on the stickings. Right, left, right, left, right. 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 Left. Okay, and now we switch to playing. Here we go. All right, really try to focus in on that left hand accent. First time for us to add those. Third time through. And last time through. All right, that's yellow belt senior. Hopefully you can pass that one off.